to another Sandwich Saturday. Going to be using these small little white rolls today. They're tiny little things, but I like them. If you wanted, you could be using sliced white or brown bread if you wanted, but I'm going to go with these today. We've got some mature cheddar grated, some sliced pickle, like a gherkin pickle, tomato, a little bit of oregano. We're going to add a little bit of cream cheese, or like a Philadelphia or something like that. These are absolutely delicious. Let's get moving. So I've just got these little tiny little, I mean they're really small, look at those little rolls. Cut them open down the middle, and I've got some cream cheese and like a Philadelphia cheese, and I've not been shy, there's quite a large amount there. What we're going to do now is we're going to add just a little bit of dried oregano, or oregano, as many of you say. Some black pepper, and again I'm not being shy with the black pepper. Then we're going to go slice of tomato each, little gherkin or pickle each. Then we're going to put some of that mature cheddar on the top. Now I'm not putting any butter on the tops or the bottom of these, they're going to go just straight in the grill like that. And again, I'm not being shy with the cheese. They're very likely to kind of come all out the sides, or certainly melt away. That is looking wonderful. Lids on. So we've got some kind of little burger little things. Okay, to the grill. Let's get them in. Okay, so I've got my sandwich press or grill, whatever you're using, on maximum heat. I like it on there. We're just going to grab these little fellas, pop them on, get the lid down, and let them go for like 3 or 4 minutes, depending on the type of grill that you have. Okay, let's jump in, have a look. Oh, they're looking fantastic, aren't they? I love them. Nice and toasty. Let's get these out. The cheese is melted beautifully. That one's gone a bit mad, isn't it? The cream cheese has gone a bit on the side, but delicious. One more. Easy, lovely little snack these are. Okay, beautiful. Tiny little fellas, but really, really good. Let's see if we can cut one open without it going crazy. There you go. Fantastic. You've got that pickle in there, the cream cheese, the cheddar cheese, the tomato. I love them. Play around with them, maybe get a bit of chilli in there. Right, this is good. Bit of chilli in there, maybe a little bit of pesto, some olives. Up to you. Hope you enjoyed that. See you later.